1, 2, 3, let's go!
Hi, welcome back to my channel PrettyMuchAishu. I hope you all are doing good, staying home and staying safe. Today I have created this eye makeup look right here. So if you want to know how I created this look, keep on watching. Apply concealer on the eyelid before you start your eye makeup. I am here using the Maybelline concealer. Make sure you blend your concealer well. Also, ignore the extras of my eyebrows. Lockdown is taking a toll over everything right now. I am now taking an orange shade which will act as a transition shade. Use your blending brush and just lightly start blending, initiating from the outer corner and then moving inwards. Take it above your crease line. Do not apply to the inner corner and then just blend, blend, blend. Blending is the key for all your transition eyeshadow looks. Now, take a mauve color with a puffy flattened brush and start applying it in the crease line. Apply to the outer half area mainly and then blend it well. To pop up the inner eye corner shade, first apply concealer with help of an angular brush. Start from the inner corner and spread it right till the half. Also, if the concealer gets to your upper eyelid part, you can fix it while blending it later. Now, take a shimmery orange shade and apply with your fingertip on the concealer portion. Once you are done with your shimmery part, then take the same mauve shade which you used earlier and blend your crease line to remove the harsh lines with the help of a puffy flattened brush. Now, apply some highlighter to the inner eye corner with an angular brush, upper as well as the lower side. Take the same shimmery orange shade, apply to your lower lash line with a flattened brush. Spray any setting spray on the brush so the brush picks the shade easily. Now, take a darker mauve shade and apply to the outer side. I'll finish my look here with applying mascara.